Xiaomi Mi Note 2 is the first name we would like to mention. An official advertisement render of this phone has also been posted online, revealing some important Xiaomi Mi Note 2 specs as well as design. Apparently, it will sport a 5.5-inch OLED display with two resolution variants, one Full HD and Quad HD. Besides it, also expected to boost a Snapdragon processor of 821 with 6 GB RAM and 128 GB of internal storage. Coming to camera, there will be a dual shutter setup on back to assist users in capturing things. For the rest, no words has been made. Yet we hope some more information will be coming in the next days. Here comes another computer from LG. With its new version of LG V20, the successor of LG V10, especially it is likely to be the first non-Nexus model to run on Android 7 Nougat OS. Other LG V20 specs will be included a 5.7-inch screen with 2K resolution with a RAM maybe of 4 or 6 GB RAM with 32 to 64 or 128 GB of internal memory and a set of 20 megapixel rear camera with a dual camera of 8 megapixel front camera. Okay, with a battery capability of up to 4000 mAh battery and a Snapdragon processor of 820 chip. For those who have interest in this handset, let's look forward to September 6th and September 7th to welcome in San Francisco and South Korea respectively. Coming to Huawei also going to launch a 16 megapixel camera phone with a 6 GB RAM with this chipset of as processor of a Kirin 960 chipset with 116 megapixel main snapper and with a screen of 5.9-inch full HD screen. This is really amazing thing. We have to look for this Huawei Mate 9. This is gonna release in Berlin first of all. Later we can know the more details about this Huawei Mate 9. It comes another competitor in 5.5-inch Full HD display screens. Lphone P20 is the new competitor in with a 6 GB RAM phone carrying a Helio P20 64-bit core chipset with 6 GB RAM, 32 GB ROM and expandable up to 256 GB. This is something interesting about this phone, LP20. Maybe possibilities of a 8 megapixel secondary and 12 megapixel primary camera package and with the battery backup up to with a capability of 3000 mega ampere hour. Coming to Asus, gonna launch a Zenfone 3 Deluxe. Was announced not a few months ago but has just gone on sale recently. The Deluxe version contains a Snapdragon processor of 820 with a 6 GB RAM and with a 5.7-inch Full HD screen with a Super AMOLED screen and with 64 GB ROM expandable battery of 3000 mega ampere battery with 23 megapixel of rear camera.